Today I want to talk to you about the contrast and maintenance of youth soccer fields. Soccer is the most popular sport in the world, being played by over 250 million people worldwide and gaining popularity. Therefore, more soccer fields are being created in cities and towns across America, resulting in the need for discussion on how these fields will be funded and maintained. This particular field is in a city that does not have the funds or the manpower to maintain the fields properly. The only maintenance these fields see is mowing and painting. Bare spots and holes that are present not only affect the bounce of the ball, but are potential safety hazards for the kids that are playing on them. Allowing volunteer help from parents and coaches could greatly help these fields. With this example, funds and manpower are dedicated to keeping the fields safe and potential issues are addressed and prepared for. Discussions were had on maintenance programs that will keep the fields in the best shape possible based on the amount of play they will receive. No matter what the situation is, considering the right varieties and species of grass can greatly aid in player safety. There need to be realistic expectations on how many games are going to be played and what kind of inputs the fields will receive with maintenance. At DLF Pick Seed and Seed Research of Oregon, we are proud to have had our grass varieties used in World Cup soccer tournaments around the world. We are equally excited to partner with municipalities and townships around the country with grass seed varieties to help improve the conditions of their fields. For more information on what the right grass seed to use or what species is to use on your soccer field, you can refer to our websites at dlfpickseed.com or sroseed.com, or feel free to reach out to me and I'd be happy to point you in the right direction. My name is Matt Duncan with DLF Pick Seed. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.